How to survive the end of the Harry Potter series. Are you an obsessed Potter fan? Yet devastated at the very thought of the series being over? If so, read on. Steps. 1. Realize that all good things come to an end. As hard as this may be, it will help in the long run because you don't want to be hopelessly depressed all the time. 2. Hey! Remember Pottermore? If you don't know what Pottermore is, click this link, and GT. 3. Enjoy it with other fans on forums. Other people will be upset too, so support each other. 4. Be prepared for the last movie with a box of tissues. 5. Acknowledge all the fun you have had with Harry Potter so far. 6. If you become seriously depressed, hey! It can happen, talk to someone you trust. 7. Enjoy it while it lasts and go crazy with your Harry Potter merchandise. 8. Dress up for the premiere or the midnight screening, according to the country you live in. 9. Enjoy the movie and have a marathon beforehand.